gave out. No, I'm just kidding.
Set her up there straight. There.
Be up there. Put this one down there. Put your leg down.
Right down there.
So you gotta keep that leg right there.
Yeah, keep right there. There's
Just
an arm
let us
rest
move
for
your
your
legs,
arm.
okay? Can you keep your legs down? Are you set up far enough?
Okay.
Get her up more, don't you?
Yeah,
Is that all right?
She's all right. Yeah.
Okay, you're good.
You feel comfortable, Dorothy?
You okay?
Maybe you want to put them other things up?
You ain't afraid, are you?
Put the other thing up.
Everybody got the cameras?
That feel better?
Yeah.
Oh, this is great.
There, put your foot on that.
That feel better?
Yeah.
Feel good? Okay.
Don't jump off if you're scared, all right? Just stay still.
Just hold on tight.
All right? You ain't afraid, are you?
Grandma, look our way and smile at the cameras. Grandma, look this way.
Oh, this is
Look over there, Grandma.
Grandma, look this way.
Hey, Grandma.
Dorothy, look that way so everybody can smile.
Look over here. Everybody wants to take your picture in the cameras.
Smile, Grandma.
We're going to send a picture to the nursing home for you.
All set?
Yep. I think she's about to cry. Yay, Grandma! Mom, are you alive?
Mom, show us a smile.
Mom, smile.
Smile, Mom.
Mom, smile. Are you happy? Come on, smile. Everybody smile. Oh, yeah. Smile. Act like you're happy. We're taking pictures. Come on. Ah, Cliff got here just in time, Steph. There's Cliff.
Wave, Grandma. Bye.
Wave, Mom.
Mom, jump off.
Oh my God.
Cliff just pulled up. He's seen it, eh?
That is awesome. That was.
Woo!
Just lift her up and put her on it.
Come on, go all the way down and around.
Yeah. Just scroll down the hill.
Take her a nice
Yay!
ride.
Go all the way down and around. Give her a big ride. She can handle it.
That is awesome.
Isn't that something?
Was she
We
scared?
definitely got